heck in the
Oh yeah,
closet?
yeah.
Okay.
That goes. They all go back here.
Okay.
Okay. So,
So,
I don't want. See, I want it every yellow. I don't want those glasses. I really don't. Here's not my phone. But would you rather have all white ones? You got a lot of white here, but maybe you like that. So you got white in the front with the crepe myrtles, and then you have, what else is white? Magnolias are white. So maybe all white might be really cool. Unless you love pink, and we can get the pink. You think white? I think I kind of like that. It's a theme. Okay, cool. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Great. We're going to do white. Those are the grasses I wasn't going to take. Now, see, there's some shorter ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5. There's one right here. That's sisters. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 golden ones. 6.
Oh, I see yours. There's only 7 on your order. There's choice Internata, 7 of them.
Okay, but I need the straight species one. I have a ton of them.
Straight species being just choice
Mexican
Internata
one,
straight.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let me see if I can find. Let me see how many we have out there.
Okay.
How many do you think you need?
1, 2. How many of the Toys Internata do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
it looks like there's 18 specs right there.
Oh, there's 18 spec. Got it. Okay.
And 4 there.
They need one.
Yeah, don't worry about that now. But, okay, let's...
Holly, what are we doing today?
We are placing plants at Hutton out in Brush Prairie, Washington.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a big project. Oh my gosh.
It's
A lot of pathways, a lot of hardscape. We had to move a whole pond in the back. Did you see the pond in the back?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, big to do.
It's a good day though for work.
Oh, it's perfect. Nice and cool. Not like yesterday at 90 yesterday.
That would be good. But now, come look at this. On the plan, it doesn't look like there's anything spec for in this dirt area.
Oh, there isn't.
And I don't know
some.
where those get too big maybe. for
Yeah, those
there.
are too big.
But I don't know where
Oh,
they
the
go.
viburnums
anymore.
are, they're but you know what I have? I have my plants that I brought from home.
Yeah, that would be great.
I want them for myself, but also we need, oh, you know what? The evergreen I brought from home.
What?
In here. The ilexes.
Oh yeah, and they're small, right?
They go to 3 feet.
Do you think that's too big?
No. talking about the same thing? Oh yeah, no, well, aren't we going with what? Yeah, I'm talking about the dogwoods. Aren't we going with white? Right, just now. Okay, but we're gonna go with white right now. But that's where I thought we were at. So we're gonna go with white. Okay.